Hey everyone, Salesforce Shorts here. In this video, we're going to talk about making a GET request from Postman. So in a few of our previous videos, we created a connected app. We set up the authentication with Postman to get the access token. So basically, from all of this stuff here, you hit send. This will provide us the access token. If you're not sure what's going on here, just go check out our channel. We did create a video on all of this stuff. Then from here, next thing we want to do here is select the instance URL that you've got here at the bottom. Then you can just click new here. I've already created one here just to speed up the video. So basically that instance URL we want to paste here. Okay, so that's going to be the first part of this. And then we can just add services / data version number. So you can change this to the latest version if you want. Then objects and accounts. Okay, so the reason why we're doing this is just to get the account object. So we actually want to do a get as well. Then inside of the headers, we've just got a couple of basic stuff here. So we've got content type is application / JSON, and authorization is bearer with a space. And then we put in the access token. Okay, so the access token we got from this request here that we did. All right, cool. So from here, basically the next thing that we do is we just hit send. So all right, cool. So 200 okay means it worked, and as you can see, it gives us a whole lot of stuff here. So that's pretty cool. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to hit / and then we're going to go to an account in Salesforce. Let's open up Dickinson, use the ID, go back here, paste it in there, and then hit send. All right, cool. So as you can see for Dickinson, it gives us all of the fields. It tells us the type and gives us like all of these fields. So for example, if I wanted to check the billing country for Dickinson, not actually, yeah, all right, billing address is over there. So if I open this up, billing country, so that's actually inside of a compound field, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and then check out our other videos. Thanks.